Hello and welcome to this session. In this session, we will see the process of constructing an adder-cum-subtractor circuit using the versatile 74LS83 IC. We'll see how this component seamlessly combines addition and subtraction, highlighting its crucial role in digital systems.
Objectives. At the end of this session, you will be able to construct a 4-bit binary subtractor circuit using adder-cum-subtractor using IC74LS83 and verify the result. Before we begin assembling your circuit, let's ensure we have all the necessary tools, equipment and materials at hand. We can use the same tools and equipment which are used in the previous exercise. These are digital IC trainer kit, digital multimeter, wire stripper, and tweezer. The major materials or components required for this procedure are IC74LS83 16-pin 1 number, IC7486 14-pin 1 number, hookup wires as required, and datasheet for ICs. Let's recap what an adder-cum-subtractor is. An adder-cum-subtractor adds and subtracts binary numbers using parallel connected full adders. Connecting C-out of one full adder to the C-in of another improves addition and subtraction operations. Binary subtraction works by taking the 2's complement of the number being subtracted. The 2's complement is found by inverting the bits and adding 1. To subtract B from A, we first invert the bits of B. Then we add the inverted B to A and add a carry in of 1. This computes A plus the 2's complement of B, achieving subtraction. Binary subtractions follows 4 rules. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 0 minus 1 equals 1 with a borrow. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Now, let's demonstrate binary subtraction with an example. Subtract binary 0101 from 1001. In decimal, this is 9 minus 5. First, arrange the two numbers with 1001 on top. Next, apply the subtraction rules bit by bit from right to left. The rightmost bits are 1 minus 1, which equals 0 by rule 4. The next bits are 0 minus 0, which equals 0 by rule 1. The left bits are 0 minus 1. By rule 2, this is 1 with a borrow. The result is 100, which verifies as 4 in decimal. 9 minus 5 is indeed 4. Let's now dive into the procedure of construction and testing of 4-bit binary subtractor circuit using IC7483 and IC7486. For this, we use the same circuit that we use for 4-bit binary adder with the same input configurations. Let's have a quick look at it once again. For mounting 7483 and 7486 ICs, make sure the 5th pin and 14th pins of each IC are connected to the power supply, pin number 12 and 7th pins to the ground. Connect inputs and interconnections as given in the circuit diagram. Connect the outputs with the LED indicators located in the trainer kit. Switch on the 5V DC supply. The next step is crucial. Change the mode selector switch to 5V DC position logic 1. This makes the IC74LS83 as a subtractor circuit. Operate switches S1 to S8 for different logic levels by keeping them either in 5V position or 0V ground position. We can now verify the circuit by taking an example. Before performing subtraction, make sure the selection mode input is in high state. Now, take two 4-bit numbers, that is 9 and 3. Assign the bit positions for input A, A3 1, A2 0, A1 0, A0 1. Assign the bit positions for input B, B3 0, B2 0, B1 1, B0 1. After performing subtraction, the result obtained is 6, that is 10110. With 1 as carry, verify the result by observing the status of the LED. Let's now look at an example of binary subtraction for a better understanding. We have two 4-bit binary inputs, input 1 as minuend and input 2 as subtrahend. We also have a control input, which we set to 1 to make the 7483 IC into subtraction mode. Setting the control to 1 causes the carry input or C0 to become 1. This makes the exclusive OR gates and produce the ones complement of input 2 subtrahend to the B inputs of the IC because the XOR gate functions as controlled inverter. The ones complement flips all the bits of input 2, changing ones to zeros and vice versa. Here, 1001 would become 0110 when complemented. Also, since C0 is 1, adding 1 to the 1's complement of input 2 gives us the 2's complement and it becomes 0111. Now, the 2's complement of subtrahend is added with minuend and it will become 0001 with 1 as carry. In this case, the minuend is greater than subtrahend, hence the carry is discarded. Therefore, the result is 0001. Since the minuend is greater than subtrahend, the generated carry bit during the addition will be discarded. The final difference output gives the result as 0001. The subtraction result output is 0001, or in binary Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0 is equal to 0001. Now you can get 10 minus 9 is equal to 1 in binary number 0001. We have another example that two 4-bit binary inputs, input 1 with the value 1001, 9 as minuend, and input 2 with the value 1010, 10 as subtrahend. When the minuend is lesser than subtrahend, first we have to do the 2's complement of the subtrahend. Then add 2's complement result with the minuend. In this case, the minuend is lesser than subtrahend. Hence, the carry 0 is specified as minus sign. We can get the output in 2's complement 1, 1, 1, 1. So, we have to convert the output to 2's complement for cross-checking the result. Therefore, the result is 0001, that is minus 1. So you can get 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1 because the output shows in 2's complement 1111. Apply the same and observe the LED status of the output.
This brings us to the end of the session. In this session, we have learnt construction of a 4-bit binary subtractor circuit using adder-cum-subtractor IC 74LS83 and verify the result. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next session.